Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2019 Indian FTR1200. This motorcycle has just under 900 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and we'll fire it up for you. Front tire on this bike's in good shape, some decent miles left on that. Comes with the LED headlight. It's got Pro taper bars, bar end mirrors, an aftermarket pipe, stand spools, fender eliminator, and a custom undertail. And as you can tell by that back tire, our service department will be putting a new one on. And again, stand spools, our fender eliminator with the custom undertail. This bike has been tipped over on the left-hand side. It's pretty minimal, but I'll show you. Pretty much all the damage is relegated to right here. Took it on the bar end mirror and snapped the tip of the lever off. Alright. 888 miles is what's on this motorcycle. This 2019 Indian FTR1200 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it has been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.